I love living here. It's green, it's quiet, very good suburb to live in. There's 5 people in here. We've also got a very large pool. Pool and aircon definitely pump a lot of electricity. I'd been thinking about solar for years and years, and it was literally a random knock on the door one afternoon, and the Think Renewable guys were really nice. Explained the situation. It was really easy to get your head around. So what we've had installed is a 13 kilowatt solar system with 32 panels and a 10 kilowatt inverter. The difference in our power bill was instant. We were ecstatic when we saw our first bill come through. Our bill previously per quarter would have been $1,900. We're now paying around $900 a quarter, and so we're saving $1,000 per quarter. In 10 years' time, we should have about $40,000 in savings from recouping $4,000 each year. We're going to go on a holiday to New Zealand. We're going over there to see family, and that's something we couldn't have done before. It just makes living more easy. It makes me feel safe. It makes me feel more confident. I told our neighbours about it and told them how good the guys were at Think Renewable, and it made sense to them, so they went ahead and put it in as well. If I could have a chat with me from a year ago prior to getting the installation done with solar, I would be showing myself those savings and saying, you have to do this and you have to do this now because the difference is massive.